Learn simple English conversations. Hi, I'm Vidhi, a personality enhancement trainer and life skills coach. Do subscribe to the channel if you like more such videos. Help us help you by subscribing and do like. We can do customized program according to your personal needs and requirement also. The email is given in the description box. Over to the conversations. We have categorized the conversations into different parts. While talking to strangers, acquaintance, children, adults, working people, and family at special occasions. Once you get the flow of conversation, it was very easy to go ahead and practice strangers. Scenario is you are looking for directions, so you ask for help from a stranger. You request, would you please help me? Reply, sure, what can I do? How could I help you? I need directions to the new supermarket. I should take the second right on Johnson, shouldn't I? Take the first right. Got it. Thanks. I am glad to have been of help. Second scenario is conversation with an acquaintance. It is a casual chat. You already know the person, but you would like to know something more about them. The conversation can start in different ways. Ask questions that will give you more information. Are you comfortable using a computer? Reply, yes, I am. Do you spend more time watching TV or surfing the internet? Or prefer surfing the net? Do you ever shop online? Rarely. I don't find it safe for transactions. You must use only on trusted sites. Thank you for your advice. No problem. In situations where you converse with children, a general chat with a student. Which classes or subject do you like the most? Or you could ask, who is your favorite teacher? That gets the conversation rolling. The child replies, I like English, or depending on the question, I like English. Teacher, Mrs. Fernandez, how much homework do you have to do? Quite a lot. How important are computers for your studies? They are very helpful. Do you have to take tests? Yes, every 2 months in conversation with adults. After introducing to each other, you can continue the conversation about more personal things. How many siblings do you have? We are just two, my brother and I. Do you have any hobbies? I love playing chess in my free time. Where do you go to participate in your hobby? At a club and with family. How do you stay fit? I engage in yoga practice daily. At a formal occasion, conversation with working people. Which sector do you work in? Marketing. What do you enjoy about your job? Well, meeting new people. What is the most challenging part of your work? Lot of traveling involved. Do you have a retirement plan at work? Yes, my company takes care of it by appointing consultants. Conversation with family at special occasions. Would you like something to drink? Thank you. I'd like a cola, please. After meals. I really enjoyed dinner. It was very tasty. Thank you. I am glad you liked it. I got you something. I hope you like it. That's so kind. You shouldn't have. After unwrapping the gift, it's beautiful. Thank you. Most welcome. See you again soon. Do subscribe, like, and share to show support. It helps us and encourages to make more such videos. Thank you for watching.